You gonna show Mommy your messy room? Yeah, you have a mess? Okay, let's go get your abide. No, your rockabye. Where is your big rockabye? You gonna sit on it? Rock on it for Mommy? Oops! Yeah, maybe you have to move it out of the way, out of the toys. You reading a book? Who's in that book? Bananas are in that book? A bear, Baloo the bear. He has toes. Why don't you get up on your rockabye? Get up on your rockabye, please. Get up on your rockabye. Here, Mommy will help you. I want you to show Grandma how it works. Okay, get on there and show Grandma how it works. Get on and show Grandma. You want some help? Okay. There you go. You look like a cowboy with your arm up like that. Good job. Whee! Hmm? Your room is a mess. Do you know that? Yes. There's a giraffe there. Oops. Who's on the floor? Who's the guy? Who's that thing on the floor? No, the animal. What's the animal? Is that a horse? Is that a horse? Oh, and who is that? Put the horse in his house. Put the horse in the barn. What else is in the barn? Huh? Who else is in that barn? Is there a sheep and a cow? Is there a sheep in that barn? Baba? What? What do you have now? Are you putting the cow in the barn? And the baby horse. Yep. There's a mama sheep over there. Over here, Malik. Come and see the mama sheep. Put her in the barn. She's laying in the middle of the road. The sheep. The ba. You got the ba. Okay, are you all done then? We're not performing today for Grandma? For Grandma. Okay.
No.